Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. Hailstorms can wreak havoc on your car, causing dents, scratches, and even cracked windshields. For car owners without garage access, a high-quality hail car cover is essential to safeguard your vehicle from costly damage. In 2025, innovative car covers designed specifically for hail protection offer advanced materials and features to keep your car pristine. Below, we explore the top 5 best car covers for hail protection, including a DIY option, to help every car user find the perfect solution. Number 5. DIY Car Hail Protector. For those on a tight budget, a DIY car hail protector can be a practical solution. Using thick blankets, comforters, or self-inflating camping mats layered under a standard car cover, you can create a cushioned barrier against smaller hailstones. Secure the layers with bungee cords to prevent wind displacement. While not as effective as commercial options, this approach minimizes damage when storms hit unexpectedly. Ensure the car is clean to avoid scratches, and practice setup for quick deployment. This DIY method is perfect for occasional use in moderate weather. Number 4. Oxgord Executive Storm-Proof Car Cover. The Oxgord Executive Storm-Proof Car Cover is a versatile choice for sedan owners. Its 7-layer design includes 4 layers of spun-bound polypropylene, 2 UV-resistant layers, and a soft cotton inner lining to protect your car's finish. At 500 centimeters long, it fits most sedans snugly with an elastic hem and buckle straps for wind resistance. Quick to install in under a minute, it offers solid protection against light to moderate hail. Affordable and effective, this cover is great for budget-conscious drivers in hail-prone areas. Number 3. CarCovers.com Platinum Shield Car Cover. The Platinum Shield from CarCovers.com is a top-tier choice for all weather protection, including hail. Its 7-layer construction, featuring UV-treated fabric and a soft fleece lining, shields against moderate hail while preventing scratches. The cover's elastic hem and reinforced grommets ensure a secure fit, even in windy conditions. Optional wind protector straps enhance stability. With a lifetime warranty and guaranteed fit for specific vehicle models, this cover combines durability with excellent customer support. It's an ideal option for those prioritizing long-term value and reliable hail defense. Number 2. Sealskin Supreme Car Cover. The Sealskin Supreme Car Cover offers robust hail protection with its proprietary SealTech fabric. This multi-layered cover provides excellent cushioning against small to moderate hailstones, reducing dents and scratches. Its semi-custom fit ensures a snug, wind-resistant cover for various vehicle types. The waterproof and UV-resistant materials make it ideal for year-round outdoor storage, protecting against sun, rain, and hail. Easy to install and store, it comes with a 10-year warranty, guaranteeing durability. This cover is perfect for car owners seeking a balance of affordability and high-level protection. Number 1. Hail Protector Portable Car Cover System. The Hail Protector stands out as the ultimate choice for hail defense. This inflatable cover creates a cushioned air barrier around your vehicle, capable of stopping hailstones of any size. Available in 6 sizes for coupes, sedans, SUVs, and trucks, it installs in about 5–10 minutes after a practice run. With 3 power options, batteries, a car accessory plug, or an AC adapter, it inflates quickly using a remote control. The breathable fabric prevents moisture buildup, and its wind-resistant design withstands gusts up to 80 miles per hour. The included mobile app provides hail forecast alerts, ensuring timely setup. Though pricier, its proven effectiveness makes it a top pick for severe weather regions. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.